Here's how to transfer Goodnotes stickers to Noteful. You're going to split screen Goodnotes with files. Here's how to find your files. Now create a new folder for your stickers. Now open that folder. I close the sidebar on the left so I can see better. Now in Goodnotes, you're going to drag and drop your stickers into the folder. You'll have to lasso each of these one by one, but I find this method faster than trying to copy and paste stickers into Noteful. Make sure that you don't accidentally grab multiple stickers, as it will become one big sticker. After you've transferred all the stickers into your stickers file, open Noteful. In Noteful, you're going to tap on the stickers icon and then you're going to tap on the plus to add a new collection. Tap New Collection, name it Stickers or whatever you'd like, and then hit OK. Now tap Edit, then tap on the plus button at the bottom, import file, locate your stickers file, and then select all the stickers and then tap Open. Tap Done, and now you can use your stickers. Another way to import is to just tap the plus button, import file, select the stickers, and then tap Open. Here you can create a new file or you can add to another sticker collection. I'm just going to name this Coastal, hit OK, and now it's imported. To change the sticker thumbnail, tap Edit, and then bring the chosen sticker to the top.